Ayun, no? Balik tayo sa ball game. Deliguero, pasa sa gilid. Melo sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Drew. Drew.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Drew. Melo again.
Melo again.
To Drew. Deliguero.
8 seconds to shoot. Team Vipers doesn't need to foul here.
Deliguero!
Wow! What a shot! Walang timeout! Walang timeout ang Mariano.
Mariano.
Yes. There you go. But hindi nag-full court ang Team Vipers. Wow.
Wow, what happened there? Grabe si Deliguero dito, ah.
Rebound. Kanina pa siya nagre-rebound. And he pushed the lead to 4.
Look at that. Look at that. Deliguero. With the lucky bounce.
My former co-worker, El Deliguero.
Now, Kate Garantang on the line.